Flooding can happen quickly and unexpectedly, but the Flood Control District of Maricopa County is prepared to protect our communities. Emergency response plans are in place to ensure the safety of residents and the infrastructure that safeguards them. Maricopa County manages a comprehensive network of channels, dams, and floodplains designed to control and direct floodwaters. In an emergency, these plans guide how we monitor, respond, and communicate with the public. From real-time monitoring of weather and water levels to coordinating with emergency services, we work around the clock to minimize risk and respond swiftly.
A levee is an earthen embankment comprised of engineered native backfill material, and it's primarily situated along the banks of the river. And its primary purpose is to prevent water overflowing the banks into nearby areas. We manage 27 levees here within Maricopa County. We are required to at least provide 100-year level protection.
EAPs outline responsibilities, specifying the roles of both the county and the flood control district staff. They also issue notifications when specific triggers are detected.
We exercise these plans by doing annual flood drills, we do tabletop exercises, and we practice implementing these emergency action plans. We are absolutely in good hands. We got knowledgeable staff that manages the levee systems. So I think we're good and we're ready for anything that comes to us.
Emergency action plans are documents that we write up mainly for either flood control or the MCDEM, Maricopa County Department of Emergency Management, to follow if there is an emergency situation going on at one of our dams. The Flood Control District manages 22 different dams around the county.
The core of an emergency action plan consists of various steps that either the Flood Control District or MCDEM will take during a dam filling event. Various thresholds determine when to dispatch either operations and maintenance staff or dam safety engineers to specific sites.
We update them on a fairly regular basis. Every year we do an annual EAP review. Based on that structure, we'll go through and make technical updates to the EAPs, which includes redoing modeling and doing new breach scenarios. We have everything really detailed and hashed out, and we do these flood exercises every year to make sure we stay prepared. So we're doing all the things we need to do.
The flood response plan is specific for a jurisdiction or a watershed, are structure-based, and it's used as the first step. There are 12 total plans around the county. How we have identified where the flood response plans are needed are by the need. So the areas with the higher elevations, with the greater runoff, but it depends on where the cities are and where the people are within the county.
The primary objective of a flood response plan is to ensure effective communication and coordination among various departments within a specific area of a town or city. It also provides clear guidance on the necessary steps to take during a flood event, making the response process more efficient and straightforward.
Our primary responsibility is to monitor the alert stations.
ALERT stands for Automatic Local Evaluation in Real Time.
The alert system serves as our key method for monitoring rainfall, tracking its location, measuring runoff, identifying where it flows, and determining required actions, allowing us to deliver timely and effective responses using real-time information.
We have over 400 stations. It's the largest alert network in the world. It's the largest in the country here. And the alert data is really good. Again, we're getting it in real time, but there is no substitute for boots on the ground to go out and verify that what we're seeing with our alert system is actually matching what we're seeing in real life. Every flood warning program starts with the plan. So that means the studies that we're doing, the flood response plans that we're building for the communities, again, they're toolkits, so they're ready for the event. So that's what makes the flood warning program tick.